1, 2, 3. Whoop! Whoop! 1, 2, 3. Whoop!
Why are you guys?
Whoop!
Why are you doing this to me?
1, 2, 3. Whoop!
You fooled me on that.
Whoop! Here we go, Shadow. Ready?
Hold on. Hey, guys. Sorry, Eli.
1.
We don't want Shadow left out. Even though he has no idea what's going on.
1, 2, 3. Whoop! Whoop!
You know, a simple treat would have been just fine.
Oh, Shadow.
Meanwhile. Hey, Eli.
What's that with my mommy?
Don't worry, dude. You'll get another try in a second. Hey! Oh, that's gross.